Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, you have just engaged a new client who has been in business for hours, years and using Excel to track our monthly business activity, which to actions helps these clients to quickly transfers her data into her new QuickBooks Online company. The correct answer of the question is use uploads from files to the banking center. So to upload the banking activities like transfer under the new menu, selects migrates dates in the accounts and settings menu, import her extracting data from Excel is using the import data tool. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.